Stop by and take a look at the 2015 GMC Yukon XL. GMC Yukon XL is a great choice for families who need a full-size SUV with maximum seating. The looks don't hurt either and is priced below $45,000. This vehicle has less than 65,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: traction control, running boards, power liftgate, heated seats, power passenger seat, four-wheel drive, Bose sound system, anti-lock braking system, quad seating. This isn't just a vehicle, it's an experience. So stop in for a test drive today.